I'm trying PocketPal AI, basically large language models on the iPhone directly. So I've already gone through here and downloaded this one, 3.2 1B Instruct. And yep. Let's go load it. And let's talk to it. Let's see how long it takes to load. Again, this is an iPhone 16 Pro. And who is Burr Sutter? One of my favorite questions to ask a large language model because the hallucinations are hilarious. So let's see what we get here. First time I've ever run this, by the way. I've not executed this yet. Just downloaded the model, started the recording, using the Mac capability now to do sharing of the iPhone screen. I don't have any original. Okay, that is actually good. So that's actually a pretty good one. Please tell me a Chuck Norris joke. Okay, I'm just trying to see what sense of humor it has here. Classic one. Why did Chuck Norris bring a ladder to the party? Because he heard the drinks were on the house. Okay, all right, that's not bad. You can see we're getting 26 milliseconds per token. Okay, and it's responding pretty quickly. Why is the sky blue? Obviously, there's no retrieval augmented generation running on the iPhone or anything else. It's purely interactions with the model itself. And so it looks like it responds very nicely. And let's go see what else can we do here. What other models can we get access to? So I took that really tiny one just to get a feel for it. There's some other Llama ones that are available to us here. Let's see, 3B, 3B, 3B. I could download all those. There's also Gemma by Qwen. Let's see what we have. There's the 1.5 there. I know a lot of people find this one to be very popular. Let's try to download that one also. And let's just wait out a few seconds. It does take a little while to download. I have no idea where these models are coming from. I assume they're coming from Hugging Face. But I'm not sure how the author of this PocketPal AI application, the mobile app, it is available for Android and iOS. But I found out about it by looking at the Localllama Reddit thread, right? So if you go to Localllama on Reddit, all sorts of people experimenting with ways to run various models, large language models, on hardware that's not a software as a service, meaning on their laptops by building out huge arrays of GPUs within their basement, running Linux machines or Windows machines, or in this case, running things on iOS or Android, which I found to be pretty interesting. We'll have to come up with some more questions when that model gets downloaded. I'm just going ahead and let the camera run so we can see how long this actually takes to download that small model. I'm just kind of curious. You can see also that we have the ability to see how many tokens per second, which is nice because that gives us a feel for what the performance of it is. And I'm looking to see if there's anything else out here. It is an open source project, by the way. And so how do I give you guys the URL to that, the people here watching the video? Let's see here. Let's get a window that fits correctly. So this is the open source project right there that has been open sourced. So for anyone who wants to go mess around with that, it is based on Llama CPP, which of course is kind of how everybody runs things that are not on big servers, but on laptops, desktops, and iPhones and Android phones apparently. And I'm curious. Unfortunately, a lot of people don't post the prompts they test with, and I'm always interested in what people's favorite tests are when it comes to these large language models. And so let's move this out of the way. And I'm now curious to go find some notes I might have on prompts. Well, that thing is continuing to download. Download almost completed. And I have some other prompts here. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, I got some other prompts here to test with. Let's give these a try. We can just try some different things. Let's see here. All right, almost done. Come on, model, get downloaded. I have decent internet access from my home office here where this thing's being downloaded from. I just have no idea what it's doing on the phone. And this, by the way, is the App Store on the Mac. And I'm running this, is literally running on the phone with mirroring turned on. So the performance of the phone matters here. Let's load this model. Okay. And got a new model. Okay, who is Abraham Lincoln? Why did he own a spaceship? All right, that's kind of a fun prompt that I've seen coming from other folks that like to test these things. As known as Abe, statements, lawyer, blah, blah, blah. Misunderstanding. All right, that's fantastic. He did not own a spaceship. Some models will tell you, about his spaceship. Write a JavaScript program with HTML to output the numbers 1 to 100. Okay, I won't have a chance really to test this too easily, but looks about right. I don't have it actually. I need to get a JavaScript interpreter to run on the iPhone. There are some, but I don't have one ready right now. Okay, tell me how to break into a car. So I'm curious to know. Let's see here. Sorry. Okay, interesting. How many R's are there in the word strawberry? This is one of those questions that always breaks the brain of large language models. And you can see it gets it wrong here too, which is at least normal. Okay, and nope, don't need you to talk right there. Okay, so give me 10 sentences that end in the word apple. Okay, and I took these sample prompts for testing large language models from a fellow named Matt Berman on YouTube. So credit goes to him. Most of these things come from there. All right. So we're getting some answers here, and I said end in the word apple. So we're not ending in the word apple, but at least it mostly says apple. But this is just fun, and you can kind of see the tokens per second down here. And I wonder if I can zoom in on that a little bit. I don't know if the zoom will work in the recording, but 26.37 tokens per second. So this thing's flying, and I'm able to test models on my phone itself. Again, using PocketPal private chat. Pretty cool stuff.